Ang napansin ko rito nga, lahat buo ang numero, no? Walang butal. 250,000, 500,000, na acknowledgement receipt. Tama ba na kapag resibo na official, ang malamang hindi buo, no? May butal, di ba? May detalyado. Malamang. Di ba?
Malamang po, Your Honor.
Okay. Based on your experience. So dito, puro buo, 250, 500, ni isa, walang butal. Walang sentimo. No? So, yun, medyo isang concern natin yun. Ano? Pangalawa, 111 disbursements in one day. Naka-date. Do you confirm that?
Wala po akong data nung number
This
po.
is about December 23, 2022. Nakalagay dito date, December 23, December 23, December. Binilang namin 111. Isang araw, no? Totaling 17 million. Pagka ganyan ba, would you consider that usual? Disbursement, 111 disbursements in one day?
Wala pong specific provision yung circular as to that.
Yes, but the circular says to prevent irregular, excessive, di ba? Extravagant. So, would you consider this, does this fall under regular, irregular, or you wouldn't know?
I wouldn't know po.
Okay.
Pero that's unusual po, pero I wouldn't know if it is irregular since wala
Okay.
naman pong provision.
So we come back to the term unusual. Okay. So this is unusual. Doon sa nabanggit mo kahapon, yung usapin nung meeting ninyo, yung audit query, nabanggit nyo na hiningi, di ba nagka-meeting kayo, nagkaroon ng audit query, hinihingi ang audit query sa halip na AOM, tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. At hindi kayo pumayag?
Yes po, since wala naman po siya doon sa aming joint circular, Your Honor.
Kung pumayag kayo na wala sa joint circular at nagbigay kayo ng audit query na hinihingi ng OVP, would you be violating the joint circular?
Yes po. Kaya
So,
hindi po kami nagbigay, Your Honor.
in other words, an audit query would be a violation of the joint circular. Tama?
Hindi lang po siya sanction, Your Honor.
Yes.
Hindi po siya part nung ini-issue namin.
Okay, okay. Pero hindi nga part. Pero kung ginawa nga ninyo, based on your experience as auditor, you would be violating your own issuances.
Yes po, Your Honor.
That's why you refuse to give the audit query as requested and instead, tinuloy nyo yung AOM. Last question, Mr.
Kindly wind up.
Yes, last question. Binanggit mo na hindi tinanggap yung AOM nung inisyu ninyo. Tama ba yun?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Bakit? Alam nyo ba kung ba't hindi tinanggap? Dahil walang authorization? Tama ba yun?
Yes po, wala daw pong mag-i-receive. Your
Ganyan ba
Honor.
dapat? Ganyan ba ang kalakaran pagka ang isang ahensya ng pamahalaan ay binigyan nyo ng AOM? Nangyayari ba yan na hindi tinatanggap ng ahensya?
Yan po yung first time na nangyari po, Your Honor.
So, that's unusual.
Yes po, that's unusual po.
Okay. No further questions, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Pangilinan. Before proceeding to the other round two availers, Chair would like to recognize Senator Judge Zubiri, who will be availing of his first round to make his interjections. You are recognized.